Good morning, children. I hope you all are doing good and enjoying your time at home. Today we are going to learn the concept of left and right. But before starting it, let's all sing a song. So children, are you all ready? Let's start. Rolly poly, big, big, big. Rolly poly, small, small, small. Rolly poly, tall, tall, tall. Rolly poly, short, short, short. Rolly poly, thick, thick, thick. Rolly poly, thin, thin, thin. Rolly poly, heavy, heavy, heavy. Rolly poly, light, light, light. Rolly poly, left, left, left. Rolly poly, right, right, right. So children, what are these? These are clubs. Now I put these clubs in my hands, okay? Like this. See children, am I wearing it correctly? No. So we need to learn left and right concept to put on correct shoes, correct socks, correct clubs and correct shirt sleeves. But at first we will learn how to remember left and right concept. Okay children? So children, tell me, what are these? These are our thumb fingers. Now joint both of thumb finger like this. And tell me, on which hand you can see letter L? See nicely. Letter L on left hand and the other hand is a right hand. Left hand, right hand. Left hand, right hand. Okay children, tell me what I wrote here. There are two words. Now let's read it together, okay? So our first word is A, P, P, L, E, apple. And our second word is M, A, N, G, O, mango. So children, tell me, from which side did we start reading? Yes, we started reading from left side and finish it in the right side. Children, we read all the words from left side and from there we read to the right. So we can say that the word apple is on the left side and the word mango is on to the right side. Left, right, left, right. Now I will show you some objects and you have to identify and answer them. Okay children, tell me, what is this? This is an eraser. And tell me, what is this? This is a pencil. Now children, you have to identify which is onto the left side and which is onto the right side. Yes children, you are correct. The eraser is onto the left side and the pencil is onto the right side. Now tell me, in which hand do we hold the pencil? Tell me. Yes, in the right hand. left, right, left hand, right hand. Now tell me children, what is this? This is a toothpaste. Now tell me, what is this? This is a toothbrush. Children, do you brush your teeth? Yes. How many times? Twice a day. Very good. Now tell me, in which hand do we hold the brush? Yes, in the right hand. Now tell me, the brush is on which side? The brush is on to the right side. Now tell me, the toothpaste is on which side? The toothpaste is on to the left side. Left, right, left, right. Now, activity time. So children, this is page number 9. Now, we have to write today's date at the top in the right side here. So, today's date is 12th May 2020. So children, today we already learned about the concept of right and left, or you can say that left and right. So our first question is, take the pole on the right. There are 2 poles. यहाँ पे 2 poles है ना, so हमें identify करना है कि which pole is on the left side and which pole is on the right side. See children? Yes, you are correct. ये वाला pole left side में है and ये वाला pole right side में है. So हमें कहाँ पे टिक करना है? यहाँ पे टिक करना है. And this one is your homework, okay? So the question is, stick the pencil on the left. There are 2 pencils. You have to identify. ठीक है, आपको आइडेंटिफाई करना है और जो पेंसिल लेफ्ट साइड में है उसमें आपको टिक करना है. Okay children, that's all for today. Keep practicing. Goodbye.